Hey y'all, it's Sekoya. I am back with another video. Just disregard my appearance right now. I have a wig and I'm going to be snatched, okay? Fingers crossed. So, I actually was about to braid my hair in individuals, but then I realized that I can't wear a wig if I braid my hair. So I said, let me just open up the wig and put it on my head and come and review how I like it just out of the pack before I do my braids, because I'm not going to be able to do that with braids in. So I have another wig from Sam's Beauty. It's the same kind of style that I got last time. Well, not style, but as far as how it's put together, it's the same. It is the same hand-tied natural curved part. So I did get the deep curved part again, but the name of the wig I got this time is called Alana. Just disregard my skin is tripping. That'll be another video that I'll talk to y'all about what's going on with that. And I do have on clothes as well. So this is the wig. Well, this is the box that the wig came in. She's pretty, huh? She got pretty skin. Her skin is glowing. But let's see what the wig looks like on me. So this is the box, and again, this is called Alana, and this is in the color DX4130. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like in the box. On camera it looks really pretty. I can tell that it has layers and nice curls. So we're going to test that out and see how we like that today. Hold on, my battery's about to die. Okay, back in business. So again, this is what the hair looks like in the package. It's very nice and shiny. Let's go on and take it out. Okay, this is what it is outside of the package. Just by looking at it, this is more of a wave than it is a curl, if you can tell. So I feel like this needs a good brushing, and then we'll be smooth sailing from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace, and then I'll put it on to let you all see what it looks like on me. Okay, so I have the lace off, and from looking at the wig, it looks like it has two clips in the front like the last wig did, and also it has a clip in the back, and it also has two adjustable straps on either side in the back. Oh yeah, my hair is in a low bun in the back because, again, I'm about to braid my hair. And I didn't have it prepped like it should be before doing this wig because I forgot about it. So just disregard all of that. Alright, now I feel like I need to brush it. First of all, I feel like I like the wig, but I also feel like I feel like auntie. You know what I'm saying? You know, the aunties have their favorite wig. I feel like that's how I feel right now. Let's brush this. Let's brush it out. There we go. There we go. Give it a fuller look. And y'all, this wig is not secure, okay? This is not secure. This is an initial first impression type review of the wig. It's not a how to style video. So don't look at me looking crazy talking about, oh girl, you don't know what you're doing. You don't know how to do hair. Girl, what you doing? No, this is not a how-to video. This is just how I feel about the wig, okay? But currently, I feel like once my hair is prepped and ready to go, then this definitely is a nice wig. And let's see, the other wig was on the right side too. Let me get a good look at this. Okay, I really like the curls. I feel like I'm not a fan of the curls in the front, waves in the back. I'm not really a fan of that, but I think it's cute. Keep in mind that this wig, you can put heat on up to 400 degrees. So between 350 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can do whatever you want to with the wig. I have not tested that out yet. I don't know You know, if it holds curls when I curl it myself. Now it's gonna hold these curls because this is how the wig came. But I'm not sure, like, if I were to straighten the wig or do something else with it, how that will hold up. So I can't speak for that. But what I can say is about the last wig that I got from Sam's Beauty, the blue black wig. If you haven't checked that video out, check it out. If you haven't checked that video out, check it out right here. And you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. But that wig, I actually shampooed that wig already, and it's synthetic, and it worked. Like, it's awesome. It still kept the curls. It did not tangle. I think what I'm gonna do with the next wig, the next time you see me in that wig, I'll probably do a how to shampoo synthetic wig video, because I think that that will be helpful, because I feel like a lot of women, they wear wigs, they buy wigs, not so much the Brazilian hair or frontal, like human hair wigs, not so much those, but the synthetic wigs, people don't shampoo, I feel, because I feel like all the people that I know, they have their wig, they have their wigs on the wig heads, but they don't shampoo them. And I'm like, it's still hair that you're still wearing in public. It's still getting chemicals in it, not chemicals, but pollution and all of that is getting in the wig. Makeup from your skin is getting on the hair, and I feel like it's all a part of hygiene. Like, you need to shampoo your wigs, whether they are synthetic or whether they are human. Whether you spent $10 for the wig or whether you spent $500. Like, okay. So that will be my next video. I just went off on a tangent, but I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna bring it back. And I just wish I didn't have this low bun in my head, so y'all can get the full effect of the wig. But that's my bad. That's my fault. With this wig, I will, like the last one, I will put a little bit of concealer right here so that my part looks more natural. But just off the rip, I do like the wig because it's soft just like my other one, and I feel like I could work with it. It'll be pretty, like, you know, I like it. So again, thank you Sam's Beauty for sending me this wig to showcase. And just like I wore my last wig, I will be wearing this wig. I wore that wig outside of the video that I recorded, the review. I wore it outside of the review, so I'll be wearing this wig outside of the review as well when I braid my hair for wigs. But right now I'm gonna let my hair not really get air. I just want something else. I don't feel like, I just want to get up and go. Like, I don't feel like throwing nothing on my head. I don't feel like snatching something off my head when I walk in the door. I just want to go. So that's another topic as well. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place, but that's all I really have to say. If y'all want info about this wig, check out my description box below. You can go to Sam's Beauty website in the description box, and also the link to the wig will be in the description box, so check that out. Oh wait, let me let you see the back. Y'all like it? I think it's cute. I'm gonna look in the mirror a little bit more. Well, actually look in the mirror, because all I can see is my viewfinder and my camera, so that's not really giving it justice. I want to like dwell on the hair, look in the mirror, and look at the back for myself off camera and all of that. I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.